Okay, as explained in another one of my videos, and explaining how and why Oasis was formed. Uh, well, also that me and Dallas are actually Noel and Liam of Oasis, and they tell our story. And then also, I'm a journalist, and I went on to an internet forum under the name High Flying Birds in about 2012, and then the brilliant Noel Gallagher chose the name High Flying Birds too for his band. Right, so now Noel Gallagher is playing my part, and Liam Gallagher is playing my partner's part, Dallas, who's my chosen partner. And we used to be in a band together, and I also play guitar. And here are some chords that I used to play quite a lot. It's just A major to A minor, open chords on the guitar, and then this then became the brilliant song by Oasis, by High Flying Birds, called Council Skies. Council Skies starts off with A major to A minor, and these are the chords that I play a lot. And Noel Gallagher knows this. I've recorded these chords a lot, and he put it and made it part of his song Council Skies, and then so I'm basically part of that song. That brilliant song, by the way, by High Flying Birds, and so we are High Flying Birds and Oasis, and here are the two chords that I've been playing for many years now, and playing. Here we go. So in the video of Council Skies by High Flying Birds Noel Gallagher, you'll see a woman playing piano. She's got red hair. Well, she's actually playing my partner's part, Queen Becky, who's a beautiful red-haired girl. She went to Cambridge. She now works at the BBC as creative director. She's very well to do. She's done very well for herself. She's incredibly intelligent. She's my partner and girlfriend for many years. And the song She's Electric is also about Queen Becky. And you see her playing piano in the song Council Skies by Noel Gallagher. Now, also, now she's been targeted by actually a guy called Judd Charlton. Judd Charlton doesn't like any of the music world, and he's targeted the Gallagher brothers and also myself. And Judd is the Prison Communities, a vigilante group with that are incestuous gays, but they got penis envy, right? So they're attacking everyone else. In sex blames, yet they are an incestuous gay group having sex with 5-year-old boys, 6, 7, 8, 9-year-old boys with lots of their sperm in their stomach, that kind of gay. That's who Judd Charlton and the Northern Irish terrorists that are attacking us, and they're targeting Becky. As you can see, she's in the video of Council Skies by Noel Gallagher. And Judd, also, I know Judd all my life, and when we were about 10, Judd was lying in the middle of Hampstead Heath on a running track, and we were lying on a huge mattress, and Judd was lying with a girl about 9 years old, and he was kissing her, snogging her. Judd is the vigilante group that's attacking us. Right now, Judd was fingering her openly in the open there, like, and snogging her. Right, she was about 9 or 10 years old. Judd is a very big paedophile, incestuous gay group as well. And the song by Snow Patrol is about me and Judd and what was going on there on the Hampstead Heath on this mattress in the middle of the open and public. He was fingering and snogging a girl, and the brilliant song by Snow Patrol, uh, Chasing Cars, is about this. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? It's about Judd Charlton, who's also an end of the world cult, and doing this in sex blames, yet he's fingering a girl 9 years old in the middle of Hampstead Heath. And yet he's attacking me and Becky, because me and Becky, we got together when she was about 12, I was about 14. right? And we're an engaged couple. Yet Judd is a vigilante group fingering girls, and then he's attacking all of the Oasis people and all the songs and all the people involved. So the song by Snow Patrol, Chasing Cars, he says, "If I lay here," he's talking about me lying next to Judd, right, who is fingering a young girl, and he's actually the conduit of the head of the Law Society, head of psychiatry. Certainly he's the head psychiatrist right now, Judd. He's fingering a girl, 9 years old, in the middle of Hampstead Heath. I was lying right next to them. Snow Patrol was saying, if you replace yourself with me, if I lay here where I was laying, then you can see the world just as it really is, and the sham that's going on. We're now seeing rising cost of living, all types of taxes, all because of the Law Society are doing sex blames. Alright, so this is Judd Charlton, If I Lay Here, and what that's all about. And then also the brilliant song by Noel Gallagher, Council Skies, is based on the chord progression that I love playing for many, many years now, long before High Flying Birds, and it's A to A minor, and he made this part of the verse, open chords there, and Becky is my engaged girlfriend. So Judd Charlton, is the guy that I laid next to, and he was fingering a girl, and he's head of the vigilante system that's attacking the Oasis brothers because me and Becky got together when she was 12. But Judd was fingering a girl that was 9 years old, openly snogging her for about an hour right there in the public. And he's the head of the vigilante system of Northern Irish, and they're attacking everyone in sex blames because they've also got penis envy. And Judd is working with some people in Blackpool that are living at number 51 Spencer Court, Talbot Road. Now, 51, there's 3 flats there, 3 of them all next to each other. 1, 2, and 3, all the ground floor flats. And they are also Judd Charlton and this group that are fingering young girls. They're basically sex offenders, and they're threatening to kill kids and women in the area because they hate the Oasis brothers. They hate the rock world. Judd hates the rock world. Judd hates the music world. Judd is a talentless fool. He is the far right, fascism. Right? He is also a big homosexual. Right? He's part of a big paedophile homosexual group that also own McDonald's. And this is what. So when you see Usain. So Judd Charlton is a Northern Irish terrorist, and he's fingering young girls, and he's head of the Law Society. He's also working with all the African men. Well, not all of them, because the brilliant Usain Bolt, when he holds up a heart signal at the athletes athlete centre, he's talking about where me and Judd were laying with Judd's girlfriend. She was 9 years old, and he was fingering her and snogging her like passionately for an hour and something. And Usain Bolt, when he holds up a heart sign, he's talking about the Law Society. Okay, the 18 sex laws. Okay, they're running the schools, the banks. Okay, they've stolen the banks because me and Becky own the banks. She's electric. She's not only electric, but she owns the banks with myself, and also the car companies and all the hotels, but stolen because me and Becky, she was 12 when we got together. Okay, and then we've been constantly attacked by Judd, who is an incestuous gay group, also with homosexuals, making homosexual porn and distributing that. And then he's also fingering a girl in the centre of an athlete centre where there's a huge mattress. And this is what Usain Bolt, when he holds up a heart sign, that's what he's talking about.